So here we have our next question. Consider the following class definition. So here there are two classes. First is the trail marker class, which has a private int location instance variable. Now this location variable is initialized in the constructor trail marker. So the value is assigned to this location variable as 0. Now, here this class has one more constructor which takes one parameter as an input. Now, the value of this parameter is assigned to this location variable. After that, we have a class photo-op, which is inherited from the class trail marker. Now, what happened over here is it has a private string name instance variable. Now, this instance variable has to be initialized in the constructor of this class photo-op. Now, what the question is, which of the following are legal for the photo-op class? So here are some constructors given. We have to select which of these constructors are the correct option to be placed here. So let us go option by option. So here, let's look at the first constructor, public photo-op name is equals to photostop. So what is happening when we will place this constructor here and we'll have a constructor call to this class, by default, the control will go to the superclass constructor. So this constructor will be called and location will be given the value 0. After that, the control will come back to the constructor, this. Now, photostop will be assigned in the variable name, which seems to be completely fine. So we have first constructor as the correct one. We will try to eliminate some of the options. Option B and option C are the eliminated options because one is the part of solution. Okay. Now let's look into this next constructor. Public photo-op int l string n. Okay, so let's consider this constructor and place it here. So once this constructor will be called, once again, by default, the control will come here, will initialize the variable location is equals to 0. Then go back here, initialize, or will call super L. So this will give a call to the constructor of the parent class here. So what will happen? This L value will be assigned in the variable location. After that, once again, we are assigning the variable variable name as the value n. So this also seems to be fine. So 1 and 2 are the correct constructors. Let's eliminate option A and go to our third constructor to see whether it is correct or no. Now, int l string n. What is happening? Here, okay, it's a big problem. See, here the location instance variable is being assigned the value L. This is completely wrong. Why? Because we cannot access the private members of the parent class into the constructor of the inherited class. Okay, so this location cannot be accessed directly. Okay, so this will give us an error. So option A, I mean the constructor A and constructor B is correct. So this allows us to select option D as the correct option.